Good day, guys. This is Mr. Prince Maths and Science class, and in my other video I taught about solving linear equations by substitution method. In this video I'm going to be teaching how to solve linear equations by elimination method. And one thing you need to know is that when you are given two linear equations to solve by elimination method, you only need to eliminate one term. It could be x, it could be y. And this could be done by multiplying the top by the term at the bottom, or multiplying the particular term at the bottom with the one at the top, so that when you subtract both of them, you could eliminate both of the terms. And sometimes you might not have to multiply either of the terms, especially when you get like two terms that have like the same coefficient in front of it. You can either just subtract or add. Most of the time subtract. So now we have an example on the screen. It says minus 2x plus 2y equals 6, equation 1. 4x plus 2y equals to minus 5, equation 2. So in this one, I'm not going to multiply with any particular term by the top and bottom. The reason why is because these two terms right here have the same coefficient. Okay, we have two y's in equation 1 and 2. So we automatically going to subtract these two equations from each other, because when we do 2y minus 2y, we get 0, right? So now let's do minus 2x minus 4x will give us minus 6x, right? And 2y minus 2y will give us 0. And 6 minus 5, okay? 6 minus 5 will give us 6 plus 5, right? So that will be 6 plus 5 will give us 11. Okay? So therefore we'll say x will be equals to minus 11 over 6. Okay, good. So now if we impute, let's impute x equals minus 11 over 6 into equation 1, into equation 2. So that will be sorry, it's into equation 1. Let's put it into equation 1. Okay, so that will be minus 2 into minus 11 over 6 plus 2y equals 6. Okay, so these two can cross out 6, and that will be 3. So that will be 11 over 3. That will be minus. We open minus times minus 11 will give us plus 11, right? So that will be 11 over 3 plus 2y equals 6. Okay, so we can write it as 2y equals 6 minus 11 over 3. So if we make 3 will be the LCM, okay, right? So 3 times 3 divided by 1 is 3. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times 11 is 11. So that will be 18 minus 11, right? So that will be 2y equals 18 minus 11 will give us 7 over 3. Okay, so we have 7 over 3, and we can cross multiply, right? So when we cross multiply, so we have 2y times 3 will be 6y equals 7. So y will be equals 7 over 6. So therefore x is equals minus 11 over 6, and y is equals 7 over 6. Okay, that's by elimination method. So now let's do number 2. Number 2 says 2x plus y equals 2 for equation 1, and 3x plus 7y equals 14. So now we have 2x here and we have 3x here. So what I will do is I will multiply this by 3, and I will multiply the bottom by 2, so that we can cross out 2x and 3x when we multiply it. So when we multiply the equation 1 by 3, we get 6x plus 3y equals 6. That will give us equation 3. Okay, so for the second equation, we do 2 multiplied by 3x plus 7y equals 14. We should get 6x plus 14y is equals 28. That will give us equation 4. So now we can subtract this from each other. Okay, so 6x minus 6x is 0. 3y minus 14y is minus 11y. Okay, and 6 minus 28 will give us minus 22. Okay, so that will be y equals minus 22 divided by minus 11 will give us 2. Okay, So if we put y equals 2 into equation 1, okay, most of the time it's always good. I know some of you might get confused that why do we always, which equation are we going to put y equals? It's always good to put it in the equation that have not been manipulated yet, so that you can get the right answer. Okay, so I would like to put y equals to 2 into equation 1, and sometimes it might not matter. So we'll put y equals 2 into equation 1. Equation 1 that's 2x plus y equals 2, right? So that will be 2x plus 2 is equals 2. So that will be 2x equals 2 minus 2 will be 0, right? So x will be equals to 0 divided by 2 will give us 0. So the answer, therefore, we say x equals to 0 and y equals 2. And to confirm that our answer is correct, we can check using substitution method. Okay, using substitution method. So we check using substitution method. We have 2x plus y equals 2, equation 1. 3x plus 7y equals 14, right? So in this one, we can make y the subject of formula in equation 1 to form another equation 3. So that will be y equals 2 minus 2x. Okay, so we can substitute y equals 2 minus 2x into equation 2. So that will be 3x plus 7 into 2 minus 2x is equals 14. Okay, we have 3x plus, we open the bracket with 7, that will be plus 14 minus 14x is equals 14, right? And then when we collect the like terms, 3x minus 14x will give us minus 11x, and 14 minus 14, we take 14 to the other side because minus, so that will be 0. So x is 0. Okay, so when we put x equals 0 into y equals 2 minus 2x, that will be y is equals 2 minus 2 into 0. So y will be equals 2. So therefore that means our answer is correct. Okay, have another question, number 3. 6x minus y equals minus 34, and minus 4x minus y equals 36. So we can subtract from both sides, because when we automatically subtract, these two will cross out to give 0, and that's the goal, right? One of them has to cross out to eliminate to give 0, so that we can find the other term. So 6x minus 4x will give us 10x, so that will be 6 plus 4x, right? That will be 10x equals minus 34 minus 36. Minus 34 minus 36 should give us minus 70. Okay, and if we do minus y minus y, that minus y plus y, that will give us 0. Okay, so that will be x is equals to minus 70 divided by 10. So we say x is equals to minus 7. So let's put x equals to 7, x equals to minus 7, sorry, into equation 1. Okay, so that will be 6 to minus 7 minus y is equals to minus 34. 6 times 7 is 42. So that will be minus 42 minus y equals to minus 34. Okay, so that will be minus y is equals to minus 34 plus 42. Okay, so minus 34 plus 42, that will be minus y equals to, that will be minus 8. No, that will be plus 8. So, but because we have a minus in front of y, so that will be y, that will be y equals to minus 8. So therefore in this question we'll say that x is equals to minus 7 and y is equals to minus 8. Sorry, minus 7, and so that will be the answer for that. So now we have question 4. Question 4, we have minus x minus y equals minus 2 for equation 1, and minus 6x minus 2y equals minus 24 for equation 2. So what we can do is we can multiply this by 2, okay, and we can multiply the bottom by 1, because so that we can eliminate these two coefficients here, this y and minus 2y. So that when we multiply this and subtract it, we'll be able to eliminate y, and then we can get x and eventually get y. So if we multiply 2 times for equation 1, we get minus 2x minus 2y is equals to minus 4. Give us equation 3. Sorry. Give us equation 3. And we use 1 to, so it's still gonna be the same. Okay? So it's still gonna be minus 6x minus 2y equals to minus 24. That's the equation 2. So let's just leave that as equation 2 to avoid any confusion. So now let's subtract from each other. Okay? So minus 2x minus 6x. So that'll be minus 2x plus 6x. That'll be plus 4x. So minus 2y minus 2y. That'll be minus 2y plus 2y. That will give us 0. Okay? That's what we're trying to eliminate the other time. So that'll be minus 4 minus 24. That'll be minus 4 plus 24. That will give us 20. Okay? So x is equals to 20 divided by 4. That will give us 5. Okay? So we can put x equals 5 into equation 3. Okay? Let's put it into equation 3. So that'll be minus 2 into 5 minus 2y is equals to minus 4. So minus 2 times 5 is minus 10. Minus 2y is equals to minus 4. Okay? So minus 10 minus 2y is equals to minus 4 plus 10 will give us 6. So we have y equals 6 divided by 2 will give us minus 3. So therefore x is equals to 5 and y is equals to minus 3. Okay, so we have one more example. This will be the last example. That will be 5. So we have y is equals to minus x plus 7, equation 1, and y is equals to minus 3x plus 7, equation 2. Okay, so in this one we could have said, oh, let's just, since y has the same coefficient, we can just subtract like that, but it's going to lead us to a dead end. So we are not going to do it that way. So what we are going to do is we are going to try to eliminate x, okay, to get y. So we are going to multiply the coefficient on equation 2 in front of 3 is x, is 3, right? So we multiply by minus 3, and then this one is 1. Let's multiply by 1. I know it's minus 1, but let's multiply by 1 to make it easier. So when we multiply by 1, we get, for equation 1, it will be minus 3y is equals to 3x minus 21. That will give us equation 3. Okay, and equation 2, that will be, it's still going to be the same. It's y equals to minus 3x plus 7 plus 7. Okay, that's still equation 2. So now let's add both equations. So minus 3y plus y is still going to give us minus 2y. So 3x minus 3x is 0, and minus 21 plus 7 is to be minus 14. So that will be y equals to minus 14 divided by minus 2. That will give us 7. Okay, y is equals to 7. So now let's put y equals 7 into equation 3. Okay, let's put y equals 7 into equation 3. So that will be minus 3 into 7 is equals to 3x minus 21. So minus 3 times 7 is minus 21 is equals to 3x minus 21. Okay, so minus 21, let's bring this other 21 to the other side. That will be plus 21 is equals to 3x. So that will be 0 equals to 3x. X is equals to 0 divided by 3. That will be 0. So therefore that will be x equals to 0 and y will be equals 7. So that's it for this video, and I hope you understood what I just did. If you have any questions, you can drop it in the comment section. So make sure you like, comment, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you very much and peace out.